In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect issue. This error is often caused by Riot Vanguard services not running properly. First, close the error message by clicking Quit. Then open the Windows search bar, type Services, MSC, and open the Services app. Scroll down until you find VGC. Right-click on it and select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic, then click Apply and OK. After that, right-click VGC again and select Start. Next, open the Windows search bar once more and type msconfig. Open System Configuration and go to the Services tab. Check the box for Hide all Microsoft services. Then scroll through the list and make sure VGC or Riot Vanguard services are enabled. Click Apply and then OK. Once you've completed these steps, restart your computer. After the restart, launch Valorant again and check if the connection error has been resolved. That's how you can fix the Valorant connection error and reconnect to the game. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.